Kamutu ndi maso it. Oh, kupwedika. Oh, mwa landira mwankwala. Oh, good. Pepani kwa mbiri. Yeah. Usagwa pa galimoto. Hi, we just want to take a minute to send this little video clip. First of all, just to say thank you so much to the UK churches who have responded in a tremendous way so that resources can be brought together so that we can get out some help to the people who have been suffering after Cyclone Idai. So we're here at our headquarters where we have stored some of the items and we're just packing one car. Sandra will be going down to the Lower Shiri to visit two separate groups of churches where we'll be giving water buckets to them, money for food so they can go and buy some maize. We'll also be giving them like a cup and a plate and different items because the people, they're living in camps at the moment. Church members there have lost their homes and their crops and what have you, so it's such a necessary thing and we really appreciate everything that everyone's done for us. So as we say in Malawi, zikomo kwambiri. This is our church here at Kamoto village. Already this was used during the cyclone for people to come and live in, as there's no other facilities around. The government in fact have instructed this group to live here. Now we are quite a few weeks after the cyclone, but still people have nowhere to go, so these nets are showing them so they can sleep outside and some will sleep inside.